Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu dah.
Iding buon pak cakasnya mah. Atrai di pentip naik kibriyo sasar. Kibriyo le mentah ki thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center Shillong. Ha ringkat ka jiatrai lang bat ka DIO Dental Implants South Korea. Kala pelong ya ka jing aji kai ka basaus ngi. Halor ka rukom ajing sumar ya ki benian na ka benta ki doktor ki basumar ya ki benian. Ka bakham kong san kalong bakani ka de ka program aji kai baningkong ha ka than syate lamingi jongkari India. Kababu ya ka nongrem ka batamai ha ka jehi kai ban sumar ya ki benian. Bat ka jingdon ya ka jaka sumar ka bapau ha ka ni ka than. Ki benta bakong san ha ka ni ka jing aji kai kilong. Ka jingbu ya ki dental implant. Da ka bapendon kam ya ka guided system bat kiwe. Ya ka ni ka program la lam khmat da u Dr. Vishal Singh kum u mentor. Bat u Dr. Mansan Kara Jarwa kum u ku mentor. Ya kani ka jihikai la penwandor ban hikai ya ki doktor da ki jingstad bathamai ha ka science ban sumar ya ki benian. Ka rukom sumar ka basngan ha ka bapu ya ki do benian. Bat ka rukom sumar bathamai. Ki benta bakong san ha kani ka jing ajihikai ki long. Ka jingbo ya ki implant 3D bat kiwe. Kani ka sen jam ka penpau ya ka jing angno jong ka Apollo Trinity Medical Center ban kentiu ya ka jing aji kai syapang ka rukom sumar ya ki benian. Bat ban kentiu ya ki kerdan sumar ya ki benian ha Meghalaya. Bat ha keleng ka than syate lamingi.
Dr. Vishal Singh, I was the resourceful person for last 4 days TDA program conducted in association with Apollo Hospital and DO Digital India. We had a 8 number of participants and they were already in the practice. So agenda was to get them into the digital implantology. Okay, visualize better in 3-dimensional structures and execute it better so that you have a safer surgery and there is no guesswork while doing surgery. Technology doesn't make you become dependent. It's like evolving and you need to evolve. So technology helps you to elevate as a clinician, not other way around. It's not going to replace. This was the first course which has happened in Northeast Shillong, beautiful city of Shillong. People called it Scotland. Amanson was there along with me, co-mentoring. I am really thankful for his hospitality. It started from 9 a.m. till 8 p.m. in night, and we conducted almost 18 surgeries. Congratulations to all of us to conduct this successfully. Thank you so much.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.